Tukulyachaka kurwase county ya Nyamira habwase omubunge bw'ebunge ya West Mogrango Omosike Stephen Mogaka anyarikuwa kawesoki aboigonere kunyarika kugikeria omurubiri bw'obwagachi bw'ekiyomba ky'erigo rirense omurubiri noe nabo mwanchi omurigeria okisi TV twarero omuraibense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto litiko kyaserinde kunyarika bagakoyuakira ekokononye maiga y'Ekigambero kya appeal kunyarika bake gutugutirale ng'aneyo anene muno asibona barai bagendete gwesoke na kuburia Eserekali kwene kinganguiranieri chibesa chekerengo kiye muno gutaisano echikonye abakuri mirimo b'Eserekali bakunyarika bakubuturwa Omosike Mogaka oiboigo oroyo mobwe kiombe kya Justice and Legal Affairs Committee nigaira libagirya bene na gukwanira anene muno igoro yo morobiro yegentate birumna morobiro yo nigo kubeka omuzigo monene gochiase abakenya aseboiga nyariko bakuburia Serikali ya Kenya kwanza nyariko bage kurigeria anene muno abakenya tibari komentererwa ebango wetanie kerengo boiga sakwanire gati ebinde binge una uchumi.
In a government on a manifesto that included making of houses for this republic. And those houses can only be made using taxes collected in the Republic of Kenya. It is sad that the manner in which the tax was brought in cannot stand the way laws are made in the Republic. And the courts have pronounced themselves as much. It is therefore upon us Kenyans to obey the law, and the laws include the interpretations of the law by the courts of this republic. And therefore, at the moment, and I don't want us to import such debate here, at the moment the courts have pronounced themselves about certain tax provisions that we passed. And that remains the position until any other higher court reverses it. And while I'm at that, I want to urge our citizens to respect institutions the Constitution has put in place. And I will not hesitate nikiwa hapa nyumbani na watu wasomu kama nyinyi to state how embarrassed I am with one of the advocates in this republic who wants to belittle the judiciary of this republic simply because it is headed by a woman. It is the most despicable thing for an advocate of the Republic of Kenya who has got judgments in favor of his clients from the courts of the Republic of Kenya to go on rampage insulting holders of constitutional offices. It is the wrong thing to do, and I want to confirm, I'm a member of the Justice and Legal Affairs Committee of Parliament, and I know that that person has been excommunicated from practicing law before any court in the Republic. You can't condemn a court and then demand that you go to the same court to be heard. It is